is a little bear, little bear, little bear. Backpack is a little bear whose fur is soft and brown. Backpack's playing hide and seek, hide and seek, hide and seek. Backpack's playing hide and seek. Where can a bear be found? Backpack is at school today, school today, school today. Is at school today to learn the reading rules. Backpack is at school today, school today, school today. Backpack is at school today to learn the reading rules. He will make you laugh and play.